Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today, in a very quick way, I'm going to explain to you how to rebatch. Assuming you have pieces of soap or you have a batch of soap that didn't come out quite well for you, like this one I'm grating now. I tried adding green color to the soap, the green color didn't come out well. And when I made the soap, I was so tired, I wasn't able to mix it well. Because I don't want the soap to trace fast, I will use my hand, so it didn't mix well. So I'm grating it. Okay, when you grate your soap, grate, let it be loose, don't press it, and grate it when it's still a bit wet, so that it'll be easy for you to melt into your new batch. Get your oils ready, measure them out, get your caustic soda, measure it out, soak it, get your mold ready. Okay. Here you can see me pouring in my soap pieces into my oil. Okay, so I'll pour it in, mix it up, allow it to stay for some time to mix it in with the oil. And then if you have a stick blender, you can stick blend, or if you have a hand mixer, you can mix it. Like this one, I stick blended, and I'm also using the hand mixer. Okay, so that most of them will crush and just soft in the oil. After you've done that, you now pour in your caustic, you now pour in your other ingredients that you want to use. Like this soap I made was just a cold processed soap. Okay?
Yes.
After you've done that, you now pour into your mold. It's as simple as that. That is how I do my rebatch. I don't know how other people do theirs, but this is how I do my rebatch. And as you can see, as I'm pouring in this soap now, you can see how smooth it is. You can see how smooth it is. Okay, if I'm able to get a picture of the cut when I cut the soap, I'll show you. Okay, but as I said earlier on, this is a short video and this is how I made my rebatch. So you watch this video to the end. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, welcome.
Are you sure where is
Please
doing this
subscribe.
thing?
Yes.
Please comment, please like my videos so that you see more from us. Okay, if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for watching to the very end. I love you all. And I also like to use this opportunity to tell you our online classes are still going on for cream making, soap making, and promixing. We have soap cutters, we have table cutters, we have soap molds. Whatever it is you want, we are always available for you. Love you so much. Bye.